with criminal minds, 'di ba? So, this is again a pattern, and again, no, Senate should not turn a blind eye to this. Neither should the Filipino people. We weaponize ang Senado ng isang senador para manira ng tao, ng ordinaryong mamamayan. Again, a pattern of Risa Ontiveros. And you know what? I think of CJ Corona. He mentioned the name of Risa Ontiveros, 'di ba, as one of those who crucified him and committed calumnies, told lies about him, 'di ba? So this Risa Ontiveros is a liar. A liar. Like Marcos is a liar. Like Tambaloslos is a liar. Like this Marcos administration is full of liars. Like the CPP is a liar. Therefore, the Filipino people should stand strong and fight against these liars because they are all in government. And again, that power, that balance, we should shackle that Leviathan. We should shackle a state that is so powerful that it lies to us barefacedly. Hindi natin dapat ito palalampasin kung iisipin natin ang mga anak natin at ang Pilipinas. No? Paglaban natin ito.